Ever found yourself scrolling through job boards, eyes glazing over endless company descriptions, and wondered, is there really a place where work doesn't feel like work? We've all been there, that endless quest for a company that values more than just your output, a place where you feel genuinely appreciated. Today, we're diving deep into one such company that often pops up in these conversations, Expensify. You've probably heard of Expensify, right? The expense management software, the sleek app, the quirky marketing. But beyond the surface, what's it actually like to work there? Is it all hype, or is Expensify a hidden gem in the corporate world? Let's cut to the chase. Expensify has cultivated a reputation for being a unique and somewhat unconventional workplace. They've built a brand around a culture that emphasizes autonomy, responsibility, and a strong sense of community. But what does that mean in practice? One of the most talked about aspects is their focus on remote work. They've embraced it long before it became a pandemic-driven necessity. This means flexibility, the ability to work from virtually anywhere, and a trust-based environment. But with that freedom comes a heavy dose of responsibility. You're expected to manage your time effectively, communicate clearly, and deliver results. It's not a free-for-all, it's a structured approach to autonomy. Then there's the delicious corporate retreat. Forget the standard team-building exercises. Expensify takes it to another level, hosting extravagant, multi-week international trips. These aren't just vacations, they're opportunities to connect with colleagues from around the world, build relationships, and experience different cultures. It's a significant investment, and it speaks volumes about the company's commitment to its employees. But is it worth it? For many employees, the answer is a resounding yes. The memories and bonds formed during these trips are often cited as a major perk. But let's be real, no company is perfect. Expensify's unique culture can be a double-edged sword. The high degree of autonomy and responsibility isn't for everyone. Some might find the lack of traditional structure overwhelming, while others might thrive in it. The delicious corporate retreat, while amazing, can also be a significant time commitment, and not everyone can easily accommodate multi-week travel. Another point to consider is the company's approach to communication. Expensify encourages open and direct feedback, which can be both refreshing and challenging. It requires a certain level of emotional intelligence and a willingness to engage in potentially difficult conversations. While this fosters transparency and accountability, it can also lead to conflict if not handled effectively. So, is Expensify a good company to work for? The answer, as always, is it depends. It depends on your individual preferences, your work style, and what you're looking for in a company. If you value autonomy, flexibility, and a strong sense of community, Expensify might be a great fit. If you prefer a more traditional, structured environment, it might not be the right choice. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Expensify is a good fit for you is to do your research, talk to current and former employees, and consider your own priorities. Look beyond the flashy perks and focus on the underlying culture, the work environment, and the opportunities for growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.